How to follow people on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about following people on Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com, log into your account. After that, go ahead and search for any person that you'd like to follow by using the search bar in the top and simply writing or typing their name in this box, or you can directly go to any people profile from your friends section or inside the game. And once you're in their profile, tap on the three dots beside the add friend option, and there you will see 4 different options of follow, block user, inventory, and favorites. Tap on follow and you're done. Right now, you're following this person. If you go to their followers option, you will see yourself in this list. And in the case if you'd like to unfollow this person, tap on the 3 dots again and then tap on unfollow and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.